Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day or had an amazing day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. It's looking not so good with the volume and where we're sitting right now. We had this kind of bull market vibes 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago for around 2 weeks, and those seem to be fading again. Let's see if Bitcoin can do a rally. My goal is to buy up a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of cake down on the bottom whenever it gets to the bottom, because cake, I see it's Pancake Swaps Exchange. I've been buying about $60,000 of it so far and staking it for 67% APY or 63%. So it's amazing. If I have $100,000, I'm getting $67,000 a year just for having $100,000 in interest, not alone the capital, the gains. But we're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you the markets, my thoughts. I saw Twitter after Elon Musk announced his buy request. I knew that it would cause controversy, so I sold it in the pre-market at $50 or 49.2. So really good gains. It dropped back down exactly before the pump. Hit the subscribe button, join 71,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Market just red days today. FXS down 10%, Luna 7%, Engine. I'm going to do a few different ones. Coinbase 4.5%. The stock, I'm buying a lot of Coinbase, but again, same like Bitcoin, exactly same kind of pattern, kind of a bear flag. But I do expect a big bounce on Coinbase at $139. So I've got buy orders set down here to buy up Coinbase. Ethereum, we'll jump into a lot of these after. So let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a bit of a pump and then erased the pump. It was kind of a pump and dump on Bitcoin recently. On the 4 hour, we had this pump out of causing a bull flag and then a full erased of that pump. Stochastic is still heading down. MACD is heading down. It's not looking so good. Money flow is heading out of Bitcoin. So everything just turned bearish on Bitcoin at the moment. On the 4 hourly, we're back beneath the EMA ribbons. They're still heading down. We had this pump, but the big problem is that we're in this bear flag. And that's the thing I'm worrying about. If I go to the daily, you can learn all this in my crypto course. I teach you technical analysis, day trading, how to do all this from your phone. I'm doing this from my iPhone. So you can see here we've got this pole and then the flag. This is a bear flag that I keep talking about. So I do expect a drop after here. But we bounced off this trend line and then we had a full reversal today. On the daily, it's not looking as bad. Money flow is starting to come in. Stochastic is still heading down again. Actually, it's looking terrible on the daily too. And MACD still heading down, so not so good. But on the 4 hourly, it's still heading down on the stochastic. So more to drop. Money flow, everything still heading down. The MACD is turning bearish as well. Crypto Guru Bot still firing a sell. It didn't fire a buy. It fired a sell up here at 46,000 and it's been selling since. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a buy and then a sell. So again, turning bearish. Not looking good. Another attempt, but this is kind of a weird M pattern and no buying volume on the support here. So do expect a drop. Next target for the drop is 37,144. And if that doesn't hold, 34,000. Next one, these yellow lines, let's turn them red. These red lines are the supports if Bitcoin keeps coming down. And this one is we really need at here, 34,900. We really need a big bounce there. If we don't get a big bounce at 29K potentially. So here is kind of an important moment that Bitcoin holds this. Let's see if it can actually hold it. So that's where we're sitting. On the hourly, it's oversold at the moment on the hourly. Stochastic. MACD is still heading down, going red. Money flow is also flowing out of Bitcoin, trying to come in, but not much. Stochastic also heading down. So it's looking pretty bad. I'm going to close my long here. We might get a bounce, but this is looking like a M pattern. It's making higher lows though. It's a slightly higher low, but even in the last hour as I'm making this video, it's been dropping. So I'm going to close my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, it was in the profits before, but now I've got to close it. Underneath this video, you can trade on Bybit. If you trade on Bybit, you get $8,700 worth of signups bonuses if you trade on Bybit and Femex. On Bybit, $4,600 USD when you sign up with this link and deposit Bitcoin. On Femex, $4,100 USD when you use these links. The links are in the comment section and description underneath the video. NordVPN, if you have any country restrictions, and the Crypto Master Course, you can join my 6,000 students and learn technical analysis, all the charting that I'm using, etc. Over here on Bybit, I've got a trade. Oh, it's now not negative 150. It was positive 150. I'm going to close it because I do think Bitcoin is going to fall here. I've also got in here, I've got 199,360. So I lost around $700 today, small percentage. But this Bitcoin that I bought is dropping down 3.9%. I'm going to actually close this. I have half a Bitcoin here, but in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to drop further. So I'm going to close this trade. So I'm closing this half a Bitcoin, sell. I've got sell order for this Bitcoin that I'm holding. Now I'm all USDT. My trades are closed. I think Bitcoin is going to drop. I could do a little mini short here. So I'm going to go short on Bitcoin with a very tight stop. So if we get the bounce, then it just closes the short. And I'm going to put the take profit. We'd have a bounce at 39, but if it breaks, I think 37,000. So I'm going to go short here. Short. I'm going to, my stop loss, a tight one, because if it fails this trade, it will be there. So 40,100 is the stop loss. And the take profit is going to be 37,000. So I'm risking for every 400. I'm risking $462 to make $2,500 unleveraged. If it's 10x leverage, it's $25,000. So I'm going to short Bitcoin to 37,000. So I'm opening a short now. 40,100 is the stop loss. 37,000 is the profit. So I'm going to do $1,000 trade. $1,000 short on Bitcoin. Let's go short. Let's do a 20. I'll increase the leverage to 15x because, actually 10x. Yeah, because it's going to have a tight stop loss anyway. So I'm going to do a 15x short. Save, and I'm going to do $1,000 short. Order by quantity, confirm. $1,000 short. 0.33 is $1,000. No, 0.35. 0.37. So I'm going to short 0.38. $1,000 open short on Bitcoin, which is it's a $10,000. It's a $1,000 trade, but with 15x leverage. So it'll be confirm. I'm going short on Bitcoin. It's open. It's a $15,000 trade using $1,000 of margin. The short is open. The take profit is going to be 37,400, right? 37,100 and 40,100. 37,100 and 40,100 is the stop loss. So I'm risking $172 to make $967. Confirm. That trade is now set. So I'm now short on Bitcoin, and I'm all cash on this account. $199,000 in cash. And yeah, that's my trades for Bitcoin. Let's look at the rest of the market. So I do expect Bitcoin to be dropping if we don't hold this support, 37,000. The market's not looking too good at the moment. Stocks and cryptos. Total market cap, let's see what this is showing us. We're back underneath the 2-year trend line. We had this little pump for the last week. We pumped from 16th of March to around the 4th of April. We had about 2 weeks of a bull market feelings, and then it just erased it almost all, completely all erased it. There's still more to drop. It's not looking too good. Let's see what it's telling us on the indicators. So MACD is showing more to drop. Money flow is flowing out. Stochastic is still heading down. So just not looking good on the market cap. Let's see on the weekly. So this is the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. MACD also trying to turn but failing. And it's creating a bear flag that we've been talking about here as well. So even on the total market cap of all cryptos, we're seeing a bear flag forming. It's not bullish. This got the same vibes to me as 2018, like where we get little pumps, everyone goes bullish, and then again bear market. So it's not looking too good at the moment. Let's see what the money flowing out, stochastic flowing down on the weekly. So looking pretty bearish. Let's look at Ethereum. MACD heading down on the weekly. Money flow throwing into Ethereum. Stochastic also heading down, and we broke underneath the triangle. Look at this on the symmetrical triangle. There's so many lines here. I need to clear them all up. So these were support and resistances. Ethereum failing the breakout, coming back into the symmetrical triangle. and it's not looking good for Ethereum. Also on the daily, we're underneath the symmetrical triangle, so big support for Ethereum is down here at 2,300. This could be a big drop in the markets. I'm mostly in cash, so let's see what happens. So that's my ideas on the markets. You can follow my live trades on the YouTube, the membership, the link's down below. You can go to the Discord membership. This is when I sold Twitter earlier today at 5 p.m, so around 5 hours ago. Sold Twitter at $49.10 into the pump in pre-market on Elon Musk's offering to buy Twitter at $54. If the client price will drop as Elon will sell, pump price is close to the offer price. So that was perfect call because Twitter dropped after this. This is a character, the Necromancer from Magicraft, coming to life. This was Elon Musk offering. This is the same, what we're all feeling. Babe, what's wrong? I miss you so much. Bitcoin pumping. It's again dropping, which is not so nice. I purchased last year and these are some comments from just people, amazing people. So you're an institution of knowledge. You're the only channel that I've turned on notifications for. Made back 200 minutes of being in the membership. I made a lot of profit watching your videos. These are just comments helping me make fantastic money every day. Forever grateful. Thanks, James. Just subscribe. Would love to be able to trade someday. I hodl at the moment. You can learn trading in the course. So that's what I'm thinking in the markets, everyone. And it doesn't look so good for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button. Smash up the thumbs up button. Let's see what happens. I'm now short on Bitcoin, and I'm mostly in cash. Nearly all in cash, actually. I've got stocks open that I haven't closed because I've been buying the stocks close to the bottom, which I've been holding. And I sold the Twitter. I bought a lot of Twitter before the pump. A few weeks ago, I actually predicted Elon would be buying Twitter. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. What do you think? Do you think Bitcoin is going to drop here? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think Bitcoin is going down? If it does go to 37,000, it's got bear market vibes. So let me know. Do you think Bitcoin is going down? Write down. Do you think Bitcoin is going up? Write up. And I'll show you also the view from my beautiful balcony in Dubai. I'm living in Dubai in a dress sky view. Check out the city of Dubai. And the Burj, which looks like Atlantis. Beautiful city. This is the fountain. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you all again tomorrow.